Given a number of different portfolios, one way to choose which portfolio would be best for a particular investor is by using this formula here. U is for utility, which is a way of measuring satisfaction from something. ER stands for expected return. Minus 0.005 is a constant in the equation that you won't change. R subscript A is a measure of risk aversion. RA would be measured by asking the investor a series of questions to determine what risk level they prefer, and runs on a scale from 1 to 8. 1 represents very low risk aversion, which means very high risk tolerance, and 8 represents very high risk aversion, which means very low risk tolerance. The Greek letter sigma is the standard deviation for the portfolio, and it will be squared in this equation. When using this formula, expected return and standard deviation are expressed as whole number percentages. For example, an expected return of 10% will go into the equation as 10 rather than as 0.1. In this example, we have an investor with risk aversion 7 and two portfolios to choose from: choice A with expected return 10% and standard deviation 15%, and choice B with expected return 6% and standard deviation 10%. To find the utility for each portfolio, take the expected return, subtract 0.005 times the risk aversion level, in this case 7, times the standard deviation squared. We can drag this formula over, and based on the results here, we can say that this investor would be more satisfied with choice B since it has the higher utility.